Hey you guys, this is D Rose. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm sharing with you guys me here painting my bathroom walls. One day I was doing a picture on my wall like a mural, and then I came up with an idea. Maybe I should do like a do-it-yourself on my small old-fashioned bathroom and just paint throughout the walls with positive words and bright colors and make it like a 70s type of theme. So you guys, I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. So this is before, you guys. This is kind of small and it's old-fashioned. I've never seen a bathroom this old-fashioned before. But yeah, this is what it is. So you guys, this is the makeover. I decided to put these flowers that I've seen that they use in pictures from the 70s and put the word love on that side. And I put the word peace on that side and groovy on the toilet with the candle there. And I put I painted 70s on my shower curtain. Don't laugh at my ghetto shower curtain. And over here it says happiness. And this picture was inspired by the beautiful Miss Ciara at the Met Gala last year. So you guys, thanks for watching, and you guys stay blessed.